Welcome to the FARTrium at 1333 McDermott. Of course, we have a Thyssenkrupp impulse. Let's get a cab view. I love this cab. Reminds me of the official elevator of elevators with DSH. The floors might have been redone at one point. I'm not sure, because this building was renovated. It used to have a different interior. And we're gonna do a fire alarm tour. There's an EST Genesis. I think these are all horn strobes. I don't think there's any remote strobes. I do not know what type of smoke detector that is. If anyone knows the model, please tell me in the comments. Here's another horn strobe. Now, after searching for a little while, if you go down this hallway, here's the dump rooms. Another horn strobe. Here's an EST 278B, I believe that is. And then there's the main control panel. There's a horn strobe. Out here I found an EST Integrity horn strobe and a sprinkler bell. That's a waterproof EST Integrity horn strobe. The one at my elementary school is, somebody has taken it because it was gone and there were just wire caps hanging out. I like these exit signs, they're pretty cool. And the elevator fire service is on the fire alarm circuit. And that's it. Oh, by the way, this has a GE logo. Adios, people.